Hello,
and welcome to Valencia College.
We've heard that you recently completed new student orientation.
You're on your way to starting a new chapter in your life and you might be wondering of what to do next.
No worries, here at Valencia we have awesome faculty and staff to help you along the way.
Let's give you a rundown of the resources available to you. The first and most important thing you need is to get a student ID. Your student ID card can be obtained in the security office. Here, our staff will guide you through that process as well as receiving your parking decal.
If you have any questions about the courses recommended for you at orientation, any other class-related questions, or if you haven't yet had a chance to register, please visit the Advising Center to make an appointment.
Emails regarding classes, financial aid, and other college announcements will be communicated via your Atlas email, so it's important to check it daily. If you have any questions on how to access your Atlas email or navigate other parts of your Atlas portal, you can visit the Atlas Lab for assistance.
Keep in mind the other departments that are here to help you along the way, such as the library, tutoring assistants, and the campus bookstore.
With that being said, I think we have covered the essential information you need to navigate around campus. However, if you have any questions regarding your residency, financial aid, or other questions about becoming a Valencia student, please visit the Answer Center.
For more tips and ways to get involved, follow us on Instagram at Valencia College.
We're so thrilled that you're going to be a student at Valencia College.
We'll see you on campus.